Hi guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to make this app design animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So, vectors from freepik.com. I will add download link and project files. Let's select this icon for select region of interest and select region like this. And go to composition, select Chrome, come to region of interest. Then select this hand 1 and let's move to here. Select this palm behind icon. Let's move the anchor point here and click selection tool, move to down and select this hand, move to here, select anchor point, move to down, click selection tool and move to back like this and select this hand 2, move to right, select this palm behind, move to down, click selection tool and move to back, select this hand, move to here, move to anchor point here, selection tool and move to back, and finally select this hand 5, move to anchor point again here, click selection tool and move to back. So in this time, let's select this icon 1, parent this hand 1, select this icon 2, parent hand 2, select this icon 3, parent hand 3, select this icon 4, parent hand 4, and select this icon 5, parent hand 5. And let's select this hand, move to here, and this move to here, and this. Let's move to down this, and this, and this. Okay, so in this time, select these hands and press P, make new patching keyframe, move to right, and select this hand 5. Let's move to back, select hand 4, move to right, and hand 3, move to here, hand 2, move to left, hand 1, move to down. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, make easy ease, go to graph editor, select this graph, let's make graph like this, and this. Okay, let's move to right this last keyframes. So in this time, let's for random animation, let's select this hand 2, move to right, and this hand move to right, and this. Let's see. Okay, so in this time, select these icons and go to edit, split layer or Ctrl Shift D, and when selected these splitted layers, change parent to this none, and select these hand layers again, make new patching keyframe, go to here and select first keyframes, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and this Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and this, and this, and this. Let's see. Okay, nice. Select these keyframes, go to graph editor, and make graph smooth. Let's see. Nice. And back to keyframes. For random animation, let's select these keyframes, move to right, and this, move to right, and this, and this. Let's see. Okay, good. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.